Welcome to Bev Jamaican Cooking. Today I'm cooking rice and peas, brown stew chicken and brown stew fish. I'm going to blend my coconut. Like real Jamaican rice and peas with real coconut. So I'm going to add my coconut milk to my pot. Now I'm going to brown my chicken. I've added my oil to my pot, and now I'm going to brown my chicken. Now that my piece is cooked, I'm going to add my rice to my pot. Finish brown my chicken, I'm going to add my seasoning to my pot. Scotch bonnet pepper and all of my seasoning. I'm going to add it to my pot. I'm going to add some more boiling water to my meat. I prefer adding hot water to my meat. So I'm going to cover my pot, make my chicken finish cook. My brown stew chicken is finished cooked. Also finished. My rice and peas is all finished. Now I'm going to add my carrot. I add my carrot. Then I'm going to add some water to this pot. Some water to make my gravy. Put some ketchup in it. And some fish seasoning. And some homemade vinegar.